guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode, we are going to do a tag video, which is the cheapest bag in my collection. I was tagged by my dear friend Danny from I'm Danny O. Thank you, Danny, for tagging me and doing this video. Please check her video out. I'm going to link it on the description box below. So I'm super excited to be sharing what I have in store for you. So I have actually not just one, but I'll be sharing two. One would be a Louis Vuitton bag and one would be, believe it or not, a Chanel bag. So if you want to find out what are these, please stay tuned. Right, so the very first cheapest bag in my collection, so this would fall under the brand new luxury bag, and it would be my Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. Yay! So I'm sure you are familiar of the Toiletry Pouch 26. You have seen this a million times. So this is actually not my cheapest Louis Vuitton bag, but among all the, if I'm not mistaken, among all my brand new luxury bag, this is the most affordable bag that I purchased in my collection, and I feel I got very, very lucky with this one. I purchased this around maybe July or August last year before it got discontinued. I purchased it directly from our Louis Vuitton store here. So as you know, the story, my CA just texted me one day because I told her this is on my wish list and I'm really desperate to get my hands on this very beautiful toiletry pouch. So she texted me, and without even thinking if I really need this, I said yes, and I paid her right away. So I'm so lucky because, of course, as much as possible, I would want to be able to get this on the store. And as we know, guys, the reason why I super love this one, although yes, this is really inexpensive, we all know how versatile this bag is. So number one, of course, you could carry it as a clutch. Then if you have an insert, you could transform this, carry it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. And what I super love about this one, since this is one of my cheapest luxury item or bag in my collection, whenever I am carrying this one, I feel that it's such a carefree bag. I really don't need to baby this one. The monogram or the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, it's so hard wearing, it's so durable, it's really, you know, it will not scratch easily. And honestly, guys, right now I am smelling it. It still smells brand new. I'm super addicted to the smell. And again, like what I mentioned, it would, you know, you could carry this wherever you want, style it up, you know, like wear it as a clutch, or you know, what I love doing about this one is attaching my chunky chain and make it a little bit more stylish. And as you know, guys, I have, you know, published a vlog, the battle of the toiletry pouches, wherein Louis Vuitton has just released their new toiletry pouch because this is discontinued. So they have released the one with chain, and the price for that one, guys, OMG, it's very extortionate. It's $1,760 US, and that is before tax, and it will be available to order by mid-June. So I've mentioned on that video that as beautiful as that bag is, even though that yes, it comes with the vachetta here on the side, and it comes with the built-in D-rings and the chains plus the little toiletry 15 pouch, I would not be purchasing that one for one huge reason is because I already have my toiletry pouch 26. I wouldn't want to add another one that looks exactly the same and would function exactly the same. So again, guys, if you have this collection, what are your thoughts? Are you as happy as I am? Definitely, guys, I am not letting this go. Can you imagine? I just purchased this here in the Philippines around 29,000 to 30,000 Philippine pesos, and right now on the pre-love market, how this is going as high as 40,000 Philippine pesos, especially for toiletry pouch that is good as brand new. So I consider myself very lucky to have this in my collection. Right. For my cheapest bag, number two is from the pre-love category, and yes, like what I mentioned, it's from my very favorite brand, Chanel. It is my Chanel number 2. So this is my Chanel number 2 perforated leather, as you could see here. So I've done a full unboxing video. I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box. So here is what she looks like, guys. Just to show you again. So the reason why I am saying that this is the cheapest bag, so guys, it's not the cheapest like saying that I purchased this for like 100 USD. So that is not the case. So if you were not able to view how I got this one during my unboxing video, the reason why I'm considering this inexpensive or cheapest is because I never actually paid so much for her. I almost got her for free because I traded my Balenciaga Sharp XS bag. So as you know, I purchased a Balenciaga bag. Unfortunately, as beautiful as that Balenciaga bag is, I'm not really using it. To be honest, the entire time that I had that bag, I used it maybe outside, like literally one time when I went out to have dinner. Aside from that one, I just use it at home for a photo shoot. And that's it. So it's just hidden. It's inside the dust bag, the box, collecting dust. So as we know, guys, for us luxury bag collectors, if we are not using our luxury bags, I feel that we are not able to bring down the cost per wear. And that's what's happening with my Balenciaga Sharp XS. And I was thinking, like, I felt that that bag I will not be really using in the future. So I felt like, honestly, it's part of my bags that I was also selling, and I had difficulty in selling that bag. So I felt like, that bag is already at a loss. If, for example, if I really wanted to sell that one, I felt that I would be selling it for a super low price. And luckily, I met the seller of this one via Carousel, and I've asked her if she is open for trade, and I offered my Balenciaga. So it took like maybe 2 weeks before we come into terms. So I just added, I think around, I added, so aside from the Balenciaga bag that I would be giving her, I added, if I'm not mistaken, 200 USD, and she agreed, and finally I got this very beautiful Chanel flap bag. Yay! So that is the reason why I am including on this video. I already used her, so if you have seen my previous shopping vlog, so you are going to see that this is the bag that I'm carrying. So she is very beautiful. As you can see here, she has the Timeless CC logo. It's a flap bag style. It has one main compartment. Sorry guys, it's filled with tissue paper. And then it's a shoulder bag. So unfortunately, the shoulder bag, you cannot extend this one. So you could just carry it like this or carry it as a clutch. But again, nonetheless, like for example, my toiletry pouch 26, I feel that whenever I am carrying a bag that is, I didn't pay like super expensive, I would not really baby as much. And I am, to be honest, if I'm not babying the bag as much, I feel that I enjoy it even more. So that's why, again, I'm super happy that I got this Chanel perforated flap bag. There, hope you enjoyed our episode for today. So I will be tagging a couple of friends here. I'm going to put your names down below. So if you haven't done this one, I'm super excited to be checking your videos out in the future. Also guys, if you haven't done this and your name is not down below, please feel free to do this video and just tag me, and I would be happy to watch it. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here, so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, and follow me on Instagram.com/Revies so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see everyone soon. Bye!